Guys, if you have clicked on this video, so definitely it is clear that you want to learn English and you want to speak like others speak. But this is also the fact that you're facing so many problems. You're facing so many troubles. What are the problems? Like you fumble a lot. While speaking, you stuck between the conversation. You can understand English, but you can't speak. You you forget the words. Your mind goes blank. So these are like these kind of problems you're facing. I know very well. And you want to solve these issues. Am I right? Okay, guys, there is no need to worry right now. I will clear all your doubts, all your problems, and I'll give you the solution too. If you are ready to learn this beautiful language, so be with me and watch this video till the very end. Hi guys, my name is Arun Kumar and I have come here to solve your issues which you are facing right now. Like from zero to hero, how can you become? I'm talking about in English, right? I'm talking about the English. Guys, what do you think? The people who speak fluent English in the initial days, they did not face these kind of same problems. They faced, but they do not tell you. And now you have started and you are facing the same problems. So guys, it means you are learning something new. Whenever we just start something new, lot of problems we face. But how we can tackle, this is the main thing. So guys, now I tell you one by one how you will tackle these issues. So guys, honestly speaking, when I started learning English, same happened with me too. Whenever I just used to start speaking with people, I stuck between the conversation. Grammatically issues I had. But guys, slowly it will remove. You will overcome gradually. If you are trying to overcome from this, then only it will be possible. Otherwise, same issues will be there. You will scroll the videos and you will waste your time. So guys, in the very beginning, when I started, vocabulary is very much important. Vocabulary, yes. Why I'm telling you? Because without vocabulary, you cannot frame the sentences, right? So vocabulary is the important part of your speaking. How you will learn? The daily uses words like go, eat, wear, bath, wash, call, care, ask, run, jump. These kind of basic things which you do regular basis. Just learn these vocabularies. Now the second point is how you can frame the sentences. Now let's come to the point that grammar is important or not. There are so many people they ask, without grammar can we learn English? Guys, little grammar you just need to know. In the initial phase, if you are learning, so you just need to know how you can frame the sentence, exact sentences how you will make. So little bit grammar portion you just need to understand. Now whenever you will learn how you can frame the sentences properly, let's speak. Doesn't matter that you are breaking some kind of sentences, you are mistaken, some wrong sentences you are speaking. No, there is no issue. Just speak, and somebody who is standing in front of you, He will tell you that this is the problem, here you have done mistake, so just correct that. Yes, this is the main part. And guys, now let me come to that question, like I understand English but I can't speak. Guys, until you will not speak, how you will learn? If you will not speak, how you will learn? So the motto is speak. Speaking. English speaking. Just think about English. All the sentences like you are speaking, you are thinking like I'm going right now. So how you will make? I am going. Where are you going? I am going to market. What will you do there? I will buy some vegetables. Guys, just daily think. Whatever you just do activities, whatever you just are going to do some kind of activities, just think in English. Make the sentences, small sentences. Every single sentence count. Are you getting my point? So guys, from today, start learning. And now I will come to that point that I just have fear inside me. Somebody is going to stop me when I just speak English with someone. Who is there? Your fear. What is there? Your fear. How you will tackle? Just be Beshram. Yes, it is not funny. Just be shameful and just have the conversation in English. This is only the way how you will learn. When I started, so I used to speak wrong sentences too. But how I did it? By practicing. Daily practice, conversation, reading. Yes, of course, reading is also many of you just skip this part of reading. But guys, it's also essential part. If you are not having the habit of reading some kind of thing, so you are losing something. You have some kind of problems you will face. So guys, reading is also part of your English. So guys, if you actually want to learn English and you are interested to learn English, so one by one I will tell you the solution in my next videos. So be with me, and I am giving you the 100% guarantee. If you will follow every single thing which I will tell you, so definitely 100% you will speak English like I am speaking in front of you. And guys, I just want to tell you that I belong to rural area. Yes, I live in village, and even then I can speak English. So there is no need to worry right now. In my next videos, I will share many more things. So be with me. And guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, Learn English with AK. Till then, keep speaking, keep learning. Bye-bye.